Hi everyone, I'm back today because I received this guy in the delivery today. I don't know if you guys feel the same, but doesn't an online shop just make you feel better? And then when it arrives, even more so. I decided to try the new Neo Nude Glow foundation. So I only ordered one thing because I have been ordering a lot of products recently and I need to slow down. So the box is a really nice gift box and there's the tissue paper inside and then there's the product. It's a hybrid foundation. It instantly refreshes your complexion whilst providing deep hydration for a natural radiance. So I'll show you what it looks like. Ooh, the packaging is really nice. You get 35ml. Now that's 5ml more than you would get in your standard foundation. So I don't know if there's a shade indicator on all of them. So on my skin I was really tempted to wear a lot of different primers and such, but I just want to test this as is. So I have on my skin my serum, my moisturizer, I have my Holy Grail primer, which is the NARS Smooth and Protect SPF 50. And let's go ahead and look at this. So when you open it, there's no seal on it. So that's the colour. It does look right. It's going to get in here a little bit. So the texture is a nice smooth texture. Now this was the recommendation on the website for my skin tone. So I'm just going to use my beauty blender. In person, it does have a yellow tinge to it. But on camera, it looks great. So that is one squeeze of product. So I will let you know it's very light, very, very light coverage. So when they're talking about a healthy looking complexion on their website, that's what I'm reading. It says there's easily dispersed mineral pigments for buildable coverage, 24 shades. It's not bad, it's just not giving me the coverage I want. Now, how to apply, it does state here on their website. When you go to how to apply, there's a video. I'm just going down to read more. Enhance the beauty of your skin with the new Neo Nude foundation. It's fusing skincare with colour cosmetics. Buildable coverage formula. So before I do this side, I'm going to try and build on this side. Sorry about that noise. It's a neighbour that has no regard for anybody else. So this is the second layer. It looks like in real life there's a green tinge to this. I don't understand that. I think the colour, see, I think the colour will make it work. It's extremely light. So, you know, for your tinted moisturiser lovers, this is definitely going to be something that I think you might like. Just put a bit on my eyelids now. It's not bad. In fact, I'm not mad at it because sometimes I think I get a little bit too reliant on wanting a full coverage foundation. You know, if you have good skin or if you're trying, it's definitely worth letting your skin breathe. You might be wondering why only one of my hands have nail polish on them, and that is because I am a mum and I'll start something for myself and then I won't be able to complete it because I have other things to do, which I don't mind, but I'll do my nails tonight. So camera wise, this foundation, well, hopefully you can see, looks amazing. Really, really nice. I think it is slightly yellow. If I went lighter, it would be grey. If I went darker, I don't know if it would change tonally. It feels so lightweight, really nice. And it's very hydrating because I suffer from dry skin. And I think hydration is the key anyway to great skin. So I didn't get the concealer or anything, so now I think we should go in with some concealer. It's actually really nice. Yeah, I really do approve. I think what I might do is test this over a few days. No, but I really love how it feels. Just apply a bit with my fingers. So if you were to dab in a certain area, you get more coverage. If you swipe, you get lighter coverage. So yeah, fingers are working well. A bit more. So the more I'm building this up, it still doesn't feel heavy. But I do revert back to blending it. So I finished applying that to my skin, and I'm shade 6. You get 35 mils, and based on the website, there's hyaluronic acid in this, glycerin improving the skin's moisture levels week after week, and true to tone, it has mineral pigments in there which lend a perfectly healthy and glowing look. It's actually my skin colour. It really, really is. First on application I was quite worried because it looked a bit yellowy, but it's really not. It is the perfect shade. So I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and we will deliver some final thoughts and, you know, see what it's doing in a moment. Radiant Creamy Concealer is my #1 go-to in the entire world. Nothing will ever replace this for me. I have ordered some Shape Tape because from Tarte, because there was 50% off, so I got my sister one and I got myself one. And I know that defeats the purpose of getting one for half price. I've basically just spent the same I would have spent on it, but that's fine. If I'm going to try something, so is my sister. Now sometimes I like to do my contour first because it frames my face and gives me a mood and an idea of what I want to do. So I'm either going to use this Huda Beauty Tantour. I love this Maybelline for contouring. It's concealer in the shade, I think it's Deep 4. It might have been repackaged by now though, so it's one of my classics. So I only do about an inch or so of contour because you can bring it in like so. My skin is really glowing now. I haven't added any highlighter or anything yet. See, you don't need much contour because you pull it forward. Yeah, this foundation is majorly glowy. It's amazing. I don't know if you'd want it if you had oily skin. I don't know if there's oil in here. Yeah, my skin is majorly glowing. And that's no highlighting primer. My NARS is a Smooth and Protect. So I'm basically using this Beauty Bay palette and I'm taking Peaches and Cream and I'm just setting my eyelid. And then I'm taking the shade Honey Roast as a transition shade. I want to keep this look super glowy and super simple. Like, my skin is literally glowing. That's with the ring light off. Could always blend a bit more. I mean, I don't even know if I want to set my under eyes. I think I might because I've got into the habit of doing that now. So just make sure you go over any creases. You see, I don't actually expect too much from concealers because the skin has texture, the skin has hydration issues, the skin has folds. I think everything will crease. It's how much you want it to not, and it's how much you're willing to sort of live with, I guess. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder in shade 2. So just have a little look at what's going on. There's no eyeshadow or mascara yet. I never know what to do with my hair. I don't really need to because with lockdown I don't go anywhere. Although I did just buy the Dyson hairdryer, so excited to see that. I was going to add some highlight, but I'm going to leave it like this because I'm really liking what's going on with just the natural situation of the foundation, because that's what we're here for. Shall I add anything to my eyelids? Shall I add Trust Fund from Huda Beauty or Bubbly? I think Bubbly. Trust Fund's too orange. I want to keep it super glass-like finish. I'm going to tuck that into the corners as well. I'm finding I love freehand makeup a lot. I mean, I love contouring and highlighting, but I'm finding it's looking too fake. And I know makeup is literally all fake, but I think we should be able to enhance what we have rather than change it. So ring light is back on, and so far so good. I'm just checking if I need anything else in terms of makeup. On my lips, I just have the Collagen Lip Bath. I'm really tempted to put something on my lips. I bought the new Penelope Pink from Charlotte Tilbury, but I don't want to use that in this video. What am I missing? Nothing really. I think I'll just put some Dior lip oil on. So, my final thoughts. I absolutely, on my first impressions, love this foundation. My skin feels so light and fresh, and like it's just glowing. It's really, really nice. Now, one thing I want to talk about is when I touch my skin, what happens. Nothing seems to come off, but I do know, unless it's a particular brand, there isn't really any transfer free foundations out there. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is a really nice foundation. So there's 24 shades. There's hyaluronic acid in this. It's a hybrid foundation. It's basically true to skin natural glow foundation. That's what they're saying it is. What I'm going to do is take some shots in natural light in my bedroom, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. It feels great. I feel like it's the right colour. I'm shade 6, and don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Tell me what content you'd like to see, and yeah, see you soon.